recorded as the bestseller at exclusive bookstore. Nisambulo Publications is excited to announce the signing of the bestseller book titled Restoring Africa's Spiritual Identity by African Hidden Voices.
Hello everybody, with a great emergence, this coming Saturday, there will be a book that will be released, which is Restoring Africans' Spiritual Identity. We need to know who we are as Africans. We have been colonized and we have been separated from our spiritual roots. You are not who you are without understanding where you come from and which lineage do you come from. This book will help us understand our spiritual roots. It will help us understand where we are as an African. We should not forget that Africans were once great. Our powers have been separated, and that great power is our spirituality. We should not forget who we are. We should know where we stand. So this book will help us regenerate our spiritual world, regenerate who we are as a people. Us blacks have been separated for a long time, and we do not know how to love due to not understanding that our spirituality once binded us together. So let us get this book on the 1st of February at Melrose Arch, where we can get our spiritual identity, where we can actually understand who we are as a people. Thank you.